Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the key features on the latest and greatest robotic pool cleaners, helping you understand what a robotic pool cleaner can really do for you and your pool. Today's feature is tracks. You'll find a lot of budget robotic pool cleaners use wheels. Sometimes they have tread on them, sometimes they're smooth plastic. Regardless, they're inefficient. Here's why. If it has simple wheels, it can't maintain traction on the pool floor. It'll slip and float over debris that's adhered to the walls and waterline, and only a minimal amount of debris is suspended in water. Some wheeled robotic pool cleaners claim to climb the walls, but they're inefficient and incapable of doing it consistently. These poorly designed cleaners can't defy gravity and will slip at the tile line. They will fail, leaving those areas uncleaned and prone to bacteria growth, which also wastes electricity and cleaning cycle time. Fortunately, robotic pool cleaner engineers found a solution to this problem, and it's tracks, not wheels. Dolphin models like the Premier, Sigma, and Quantum are prime examples of cleaners with hypergrip tracks. These continuous tracks have notched grips and won't wear down like cheap plastic. When combined with one or more DC motors on board, the tracks cling to pool surfaces without floating or losing traction. That gives other features like a rapidly spinning brush and powerful suction the time to dislodge debris and clean. So, if you're ready to invest in a robotic pool cleaner, choosing one with tracks, not wheels, should be a priority, especially if you're looking for one that can clean the entire pool, even the waterline. In our opinion, the best options are Dolphin's Premier, Sigma, and Quantum. Browse these models and dozens more at PoolBots.com. Find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.